Hello, this is Itsu. Okay, I am using the antenna around the grenade and inductor for input for my function generator. So I have disconnected the ferrite rod with the bucking coils and the cacher. So it's only connected to the red and the black lead of the function generator, and I use this to sweep across a frequency range, in this case from 100 kilohertz till 10 kilohertz. And I measure the output of the yellow probe across the full bridge rectifier coming from the grenade and from the 28 turn coil. So this is how it should be connected up. Also the load is connected to the bulbs. There's no load at the moment. I have disconnected all the bulbs, but the circuit is there. So I'm monitoring what the caps, the output caps, are seeing when sweeping from the antenna, and this is the output. The yellow is the sweep from 100 kilohertz at the left side all the way to 10 kilohertz, and we see a few peaks. And I guess this big peak, the second peak, is the one I was talking about earlier. This is at 2.65 megahertz. So we have something like 1 megahertz per division. So it's slightly more than 2.65. We have a bigger pulse peak at earlier, which is about 660 kilohertz, I guess. But when I now touch the grenade, about here, you will see that the frequency of the 2.6 megahertz is shifting. I will squeeze it now, so you can see it shrinks in amplitude and moves a little bit lower in frequency, while the other pulse is staying the same. So I guess that this 2.65 is the resonance peak. I will leave it, remove my hand now. I will touch it again, so you can see the frequency is shifting, and I will release it again. So I think this is the grenade resonance frequency as seen by the caps from the antenna. That's what I was looking about, and I will use this 2.65 megahertz as resonance frequency to tune the cacher at a third of that frequency, being 883 kilohertz or something, to see if it will add extra power to the caps. This is for me step one. Okay, I have reconnected the stuff in the cacher. I have a 100 bulb inside inserted in the stack of bulbs. We have 226 volts DC. I have tuned the cacher with a ferrite rod, so it will resonate at 1/3 of the grenade, being 883 kilohertz. I have a probe hanging above. I monitor the voltage across the cap. Now as the cacher is activated, frequency of the cache is 880 something so a third of the grenade. We are on top of the voltage, because I guess that's the way to be, not on top of the current. But this way, with or without the cache, I will now disconnect the cache. So we have a little extra power when the cache is activated. It's activated now, disconnected. Only a few tenths of a volts activate. So there's not much to be seen with the cache activated. Like it says here, I have some sparks being pulled. So we have some serious high voltage there. I'll shut down my laptop for the time being. I can vary this this peak on top of this voltage, but it does not make any much difference. We are in lock. So well, I'll be tuning around a little bit, I guess. To see if it's kind of stable, but when I add another bulb, we get out of lock, and also the voltage drops. So not sure how to continue. I mean, I have the only thing that's not valid at the moment is the 1 to 100 or the 1 to 160 with the PLL, which is 15 kilohertz. That should be something to consider the next time. Okay, thank you for watching.